Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanne. If you're new to this channel, you're very welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how to tighten your cup size. So if you're interested in this tutorial, keep watching. So this is the cup size I'll be working on, and it is cup size 44. Actually, the bust size is 43, and I went ahead to buy 44 because I'll be tightening this cup. Remember, this tutorial is how to tighten the cup for it to give it a good fitting. By the time you fix it on your corset, it will come out very well. It will really cup very well. You see that push up, it will help push the breast up. So if your bust size is 43 or you're working with bust size of 43, go ahead and buy bust size of 44, because we are going to be holding that in the middle. Buy 1 inch bigger than the actual bust size. So in order to do that, I'm going to be folding this cup into two. Let me just show you this. See where I'm touching is the upper side, and the other round side, like the U side, is the downside. So I'm going to be folding this into two to determine the midpoint of the cup. So this is the midpoint of the cup. You can go ahead and use your tape to determine that, or after folding it into two, go ahead and refold it again into four to determine the midpoint. So I'll just go ahead and sew that. I'm going to be sewing half of an inch using the machine, but before I do that, I'm going to use a pencil to mark it. Don't forget, you have the upper side and the downside. Please take note, we are holding the dart on the upper side, from the upper side to the midpoint. So that is my midpoint. Again, I'm going to go ahead and use a pencil or a marker to determine the midpoint of the cup. That is the midpoint right there. So I'll just go ahead and hold that half of an inch. If for instance, your bust size is 42 and your bind size 44, go ahead and use 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch, not half of an inch. So go ahead and use 0.75 of an inch to hold the dart. Hold the dart from top to the middle, like what I'm about to do. Because I bought a bust cup size of 44 and the bust size is 43, I'm doing half of an inch. So this is me trying to impute my dart. I'm just going to sew it all the way to the middle and top stitch. I'm done doing that. So this is how it's looking, guys. You're going to see a totally different cup from this other one. From this other one I've not worked on. You see that this one I've already worked on is going to bring that shape. Have you seen the cup? The cup is looking so fine. If you want to compare it to this other one I've not worked on, you see a very different thing. So this is how it is. Have you seen? This one is the one I've worked on, has really cupped very well. So by the time you fix it to your corset, you notice that it will help push up your breast. It will help give it that fitting, that look, rather than your bust coming out flat. So you wouldn't want the corset to come out flat. So it is advisable you do this. If you don't want to pass through this stress, go ahead and buy a push-up bra. So a push-up bra is sold, I think is in my area, is sold for 1,000 naira. but this in my area is sold for a 500 naira. So it all totally depends on what you actually want to use. So if you do this, it will still push up your breast. So why spend a lot of money? Why not do this? You buy this one, just hold the dart, and it will still give you that same look as the other one. So I'm going ahead now to impute the dart for the second one. I will just go over again. So I'm holding a dart of half of an inch. Remember, the bust size is 43 and I bought the cup size of 44 inches. That is why I'm doing half of an inch. So by the time I'm done, it will still come out bust size 43. So if the bust size is 42 and you're buying 44, please do 0.75 dart, so it will still come out very well. And guys, this is how it's looking. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please help me press that subscribe button, and please turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be notified. Please drop a comment on how this came out. Let's see how we can interact and ask any question. I'm here to respond to your questions. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video if it is helpful. It can also help other growing fashion designers. So guys, I'm happy to have you guys here. If you're still here at this time, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye.